Okay, so we're home. We put all the chicks in with our AM Samani chick. Everybody's getting nice and warm. Everybody's had something to drink. They all looking cute. So just so y'all know what we got gold and silver. Where's the silver one that you can see good? Right there. Sea Brights. Hey, get your butt out of its face. Sea Brights. Yep, here we go. A gold and a silver. They're so pretty. And we also got Appenzellers. Some more Appenzellers. We already have gold ones. So, yep. Everybody's just hanging out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, y'all.